Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today, I was very excited for today because my parcel is arriving from Goa, and with lots of mama, papa, they have sent a lots of items like food, what I miss. My parcel is here. Just going to cover the address. My parcel is here. Something from home. And it goes like from Carmo Diaz, my dad's name. So I'm going to meet Eldon now. He's already at Hounslow waiting for me at the high street, and I'm late. I had a couple of things to be done when I was at home, so I thought I would finish early, but it took me time. No, never mind. He can wait for me. So let's go. Hi sir, how are you?
What a hair dryer.
Are you local?
Shampoo.
Not second.
And a conditioner for me.
Hair dryer was for me, no?
Then tell no that it was for me.
So he got me a hair dryer. He gifted me a hair dryer.
Yeah. I gifted her a hair dryer. So she's going to gift me some balance.
Okay, cut.
I think it's there. Yeah.
I come back to Color Goa.
What are you ordering today?
I don't know. I want to try something different. So let's see. Why are you taking my interview like it?
Because I want to know, because I'm also eating the food. Page.
I order.
Okay.
I order.
Guys, wait for the order. Till then, you enjoy this.
Shira.
What you said? Shira? This time she Shira.
You have beef tongue roast.
Okay, guys, she's going to tell you the whole menu. But till then, just enjoy this.
Patron started eating without me only.
I'm hungry.
So?
I eat like animal now. Bye.
So we ate something at Casa de Goa, and I had headed off to the parlor. Eldon went to, sort out his things, and he was done early. I'm a lady, of course. I'm part of the parlor. So he finished his stuff early, and he headed home. I told him to go home, and I'll see him at home. Now I'm going to his place. I'm almost there. My hand, after doing the waxing, I always get like a little bit of rash. Okay, I always get like this kind of a redness, which is natural. It will be fine in some time. Let's see how he reacts to the rash that I have on my hand, which is going to go in a couple of hours now. It does take time for my skin to come back to normal. My skin is very sensitive. Let's see. Look, I got rash on my hand.
Oh.
On waxing.
Vaccine?
Waxing.
Vaccine. Come sit.
It's burning my hand. See, here also I got boils.
We'll apply some lotion for it. Don't worry.
Finally, the time to open the package.
Babe, do you feel that joy of opening the package?
The joy of opening the package is not that much. The joy is that it's come from my home.
Really?
Yeah. It's like I can feel the love and everything in it. Like I know how much my family has gone through the trouble to send everything to us.
I can see chappals.
They send you chappals. They send this for Eldon. Mama has practiced because we don't get these chappals here, and these are very good for the legs, like when you have massages and all. Like I don't don't know how you say. These are for the points for your feet.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for Eldon.
Nice. I wanted the sleepers like this. I don't wanted the normal paragons.
These are for me.
Red ones for you?
Yeah, red ones for me.
I think the red ones are for me, no?
No.
Babe, are you sure, babe?
See, Mama sent masala. She knows which one I like. Chicken masala. I started cooking, now. So, since I started cooking, they were like, you don't need anything else.
What is that?
This is like the mixed kind of masala
Masala.
that she sends,
Oh,
for
masala.
acidity and stuff like that. So, she sent ginger garlic paste.
Oh.
And then my medication, which I needed it so bad. All my medicines are here.
What the heck is that? Will you show it on the screen? What is that? Chicky? What?
This is the guava, you get it in Goa.
The guava wala fruit. Oh.
Flask to take to work.
Oh. Only your family can send you this. Oh.
This is the shampoo for my hair dandruff. This is for my work. I had asked her to send me because the rains and everything, and I really miss Goa chappals. So for me it worked, right? I used to buy from Goa because they are more comfortable. Yeah, from Gandhi Market. They are very comfortable for me.
That slippers too. For rain. But I don't know how you're going to wear it in winters, babe.
Clips. There's a lot here. They've also sent for Eldon. Every time Mama will like give for Eldon also. This is for Eldon, that is for Eldon.
Thank you, auntie.
Pickles.
Such a big bag of pickles.
Reshad masala, my God,
My
Mama
favorite.
was behind my life because of Eldon was behind my life because of Reshad masala.
Yeah,
so
my
she
favorite.
sent Reshad masala. I think I know what is this. This is Eldon's parcel.
What is that?
I won't tell you on the vlog.
Bombil. Bomla molo. Bombil. Hareso.
Garam masala.
Chicken.
Surata.
Chirisa. No, okay.
Pickles is written. Pickles.
Piccolo maga. Oh, this is bird.
What is this?
Oh, Bulina. Oh.
Eldon. This is for Eldon also and for me also. She
No,
sent.
beef patty salad.
Mama put umbrella.
Wow.
Because she knows the umbrella that I take to work is not correct because they break, and I was telling her about it and she was like, can you send me an umbrella? And she sent me this one.
Hey.
You can use it for the shoot.
The print is nice, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, of course.
Like that way with the white dress or something like that, They look nice. What
I
is
carry
it?
this tomorrow,
Huh?
Carry this for the shoot.
Listen. There's a scissor.
What do you want to? What is that? Again the same
This
thing?
is mine, all for me. I'm not giving you.
The gawa wala?
I'm not giving you.
I don't eat that gawa wala. I don't know why I don't
You
like
never
it.
tried it?
I tried it, but I did not like
You
it
know,
much.
guys, I don't eat anything black because I don't know why from childhood I have the thing in me. I don't eat anything that is black. Now, this one is not black. This is like brown. And then dodol. What's the other thing called? Pinar?
Yeah, do you have that in your bag? Pinag?
Mama won't send it, but she knows I don't eat that.
The fuck?
I forgot to tell her to send it.
Oh.
It's his favorite. Mama watches our vlogs, by the way.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you, Mama.
I said no, thank you.
No,
Thank
I'm
you,
not telling
auntie.
you.
Thank you, uncle. Come on, show us the next thing. I think it's all the more pada hapa lagle. What is that?
This is to make tizan.
Wow.
Ambil.
You know how to make it? Tizan?
Yes.
I love tizan. Will you make tizan for me, no?
Yes, but not with like God and all. Huh? I
Please.
make with water and this powder,
Oh
boil it
my
up,
God.
strain it, drink it.
Then that doesn't
Milk.
have that sweetness. I want the
Milk,
sweetness.
I put milk, my papa's recipe. Milk, this, boil it up, and then you have, you can put sugar or honey, whatever you want. So
What is
Mama sent me these pens, which I used to use at work.
Right.
The handwriting comes amazing with these pens. So
have to be like.
I swear to God, in my mind this was coming. I should have told Mama to send toothbrushes for me because I cannot use my body, my system, my skin, everything is very sensitive. It's extra sensitive. So she sent me sensitive toothbrush. She actually sent me. I didn't even tell her to send. She sent 2 of it.
Sensitive stuff for sensitive.
Maggie, I don't know not to send, but she sent, and in my mind I was thinking, why did I tell her not to send? I needed Maggie. During winter, much needed.
Oh.
Like Vicks, no? Shorts. I told Mama I don't have shorts. I need shorts. Don't ask me. I should have bought it over here. I get it for cheap. I know, but there is one shop that cloth is very good for me. So, I mean. Okay. I mean, package was when my package was arrived. Okay. Everything has come. Babe.
How are you feeling with all this stuff?
I feel good. I don't know how to say, what to say. What do I say? How do I feel? I feel amazing.
One thing I have to say, where are you? Here. One thing, no? I have to say that your mom, or whoever had done the packing, mom, dad, is good with packing.
This is not done by them.
Huh?
This is they take you to the place and the
Yeah.
packing is done by
No. I mean,
else.
I'm not talking about the package, but
you're this one, no?
But she sent you everything, whatever you required.
Yeah.
Like, everything. Even toothbrush, even shorts, whatever, eatables, everything. So that is how you do the packing. I mean, like, normally we ask like what you want, but she knew that what you want. It's nice. Thank you, auntie, for your packing.
So this is for
and for also sending me stuff. Thank you.
I'm missing home now.
Okay. We'll meet you in some time. Okay. पार्सल ओपन करून क्रिस्टियाना मातशें इमोशनल जाल्लें बट तेगे इमोशनल जाल्लें पोस्ट करपा तेगे बोली नकत केली आनी तेगे बोली ना तेंगा गोंयची बोली ना गोंयची बोली ना I love it. तुम जाए एड्रेस दिवं तुगेलो एड्रेस दिवं तुगेलो तेंगे येवदी हांव तुका हिंगा सोंचो या पार्सल जाल्यार कोण हाडे गो आम बोली एन्जॉय कोले
My food will be my food, nobody. I share my food. My food is only my food.
एक बोली खायला एक तो बॉल लगाले म्हाका दुसऱ्याचो जाय अशें पूण पोत बंद को तेशें
Thank you everyone for sending me this parcel. It's been more than a year since I went home, and now I feel like home. But waiting to go back home. Let's see when. God willing, soon. And I don't want to say anything more. Thank you so much. Okay.